Hi everyone, I just built this fully working portfolio website in 15 minutes for free, and I am going to show you exactly how you make your website like this. What's up everyone? Today I am going to blow your mind with Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a free tool made by Google, and it has a secret superpower that almost nobody is talking about. It can literally write and build your entire app or website for you for scratch just from conversation. So the tools we would be using are Google AI Studio and Claude. So let's go to the computer screen. So this is Google AI Studio. You can search it in any browser on your computer or laptop. So in here it is asks me that describe your app or website idea here. But the interesting part is I don't write any prompt myself. I use Claude for better result and detail. So come to the Claude. Here you can see I write a prompt. I just write in simple English. Now I paste it. So you can see Claude starting writing the prompt for me, and here the result is coming out. So now the Claude give me the prompt. I just copy the prompt and go to the Google AI Studio and paste it like this. Now I just click the build button and now wait for some minutes. Our AI Studio starting working and building our app. Basically I just building a portfolio website for my Future Craft Academy. So wait for some minutes. Our AI Studio will give the response. Now here Claude is asking me to select a design for my portfolio website. So here you can see he gives me various design, but I like this design, the first one. So just I select this design, and now our AI Studio is starting building our website using that design. So you can also tell about your design, and you can also change your designs using AI Studio. Now just wait for some minutes. Here you can see Claude give me the website, and I can just see. Oh no, it's so crazy, man. Like, just look at it. The animations and the graphics and visuals are so smooth and look so good, and you can see there are every detail I tell and it put it out. So you can see here the meet the founder Sajib Khan. So this is me, my name is this. So you can see. So if you want to change something or edit something, you can see here is a message box, so you can tell anything to change it out. So if you want to edit a particular thing of here, so you just come to the right side corner. You can see a pen icon, edit tool. So just click it and select this, and here you can see in the message box the particular section is selected. Now tell it any changes about it. It will be change the thing. Drop your app idea in the comments right now. I want to see what you are building like this video if you save your many money today. Subscribe because this is just a beginning. I have got more AI build tutorials coming that will genuinely change how you work. See you in the next one. Bye.